What is going on, guys? Crazy Business. Today is gonna be a good day. And it's already nighttime, but who cares? Might as well make a video because I'm bored. So I'm gonna make a video about how to unlock pick with the butter knife and lock pick it with the butter knife and change the code for it. So what you do is just grab a regular butter knife, and you see this part right here? That's the main part. So you can just dig in. So here's the main technique how you really want to do it. So there's this metal piece right here. I don't know if you can see that, but inside the silver metal piece right here. That's the part you want to go in. You're going to want to go behind it and you unlock it. So you might need to move it. See how they're unlocked? And then you get your stuff out, whatever you need. See, that's it. So yeah. So how you basically change your password is let me see real quick. This side. So basically how you change your code is you push in and let's say 5. Oh no, you gotta do. So my regular password, I'm not gonna say my password. And then it pushes forward basically, so see? And then you push like this. I'm gonna cover my code. Like this, see? You just push in, not where you unlock, you just push in. So you put in your code, and then you push in, not the other way to unlock it, but you push in. Let's say 5, 6, and let's do 1, 2, 3. And then see? 1, 2, 3. And new code. See? And then if you want to change the code again, I'm already at 1, 2, 3. Push in. And you do code. See? Yeah, I might have to change it after this. Oh, whatever. I'm gonna change it. Me too. Let me change it real quick. And I just forgot my code. I'm joking. I really hope this is the right code. Okay. So that's my code. And you do. And my code is changed. So yeah, that's gonna be it for the video. And also, I'm gonna be doing on I have another vault box like this. Another vault box like this. Let me do something. Let me write it down real quick. I need something to write it down real quick. So let me get something to write with. Well, you might want to get a piece of paper and just write it down. And I'm not going to show you guys this code because it's my code. So yeah. This is going to be the end of the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. So yeah, vault lock boxes are really good at keeping your belongings in. But sometimes you want to find a better lockbox. I'm not saying vaults is bad, but like it's really good. But you just like with this one, you just need to find a secure way, because somebody can just like easily lockpick with just a butter knife. But you would have to hide the lockbox, so extra secure. So you don't have to worry about that. So yes, I'll see you guys later, and I'm sorry I haven't been updating on the elf. It's because I've been trying to upload and it won't let me upload, but I think this video is going to upload. So I'll see you guys later. Like, comment, subscribe, and make sure to share this with friends, and yeah, see you guys later. Bye.